Brian, Winston, and Andy. Once again, John, Brian, Winston, Andy. All right, drivers ready, corner marshals ready. The inaugural TCS Mini A-Main here at Limo. Sound of the tone in 5. We are off and rolling. Let's see if I can pick out the cars. So Valentico. I don't know what that is, I'm not old enough. Nobody here is old enough. And we got is that an S13? S14? S13. And we got, what's the name of Miata? What did I say? Miata, and then I could not tell you what Andy is running. Is that a Porsche? No, it is. It has Porsche, the 996 headlights. Okay, so Andy's out there in 996 Porsche. These guys are making it look good though. John Valentico, obviously TCS veteran. Brian with the John Hicks rental ride. Winston out there looking good. Andy looking good out there. Keeping it pretty tight. Brian and Winston together on track. Andy not far off the back of them. Brian and Winston respectively not that far off the back of Valentico. Oh, Brian's gonna get it wrong. That's gonna give it to...
Well, what happened? Are you okay?
Did John's car break? You know who you got. You know whose fault that is, right? So John is nice enough to give you a car. Hey, here's a car. But surprise, he booby-trapped it, and now it's broken. And now he's gonna make you pay for the repairs. And charge you labor for it, too. Alright, so it is 3-car race now. Valentico up front, Winston in the 2 spot, Andy Wong in the 3 spot.
That's yours. Sorry, I don't have to buy it. Okay, start up yeah, no, that's
3:15 down, 1:45 to go. All remains John, Winston, and Andy. Minute 10 left to go. Order remains unchanged. Valentico, Winston, and Andy.
Look at sexy. Look at sexy. Don't make it sexy. So nice and tight.
You don't want to be God, man. What? Oh, that's not sexy. Come on, make it sexy. Oh, baby. That's not sexy at all. Come on, man. Stop it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, like that.
Across the lane, we'll be done. Winston, you got caught.
Yeah.
John and Andy to finish. There we go. John Valtigo, our inaugural TCS Mini.
Congratulations.
Winner here at
Good drive.
Napa.
Good job.
Good job, man.
That was fun. That was fun. I hope we get to do more of these. Yeah, thank you. I only made one mistake.
This is race 4, 13.5 coast.
One mistake. That's it.
Brushless?
Yes.